Guys, welcome to my channel. This is my cousin
Chanel.
Thanks. Today we will be
Eating chicken nuggets with sauces and watch. A mukbang.
yes. Period.
Can I try?
I'm gonna be the first one.
Okay, open this. I never tried it with ranch. Is it good? Okay. First question.
Would you rather watch something or stop?
Oh.
Would you rather
Pay for having sex or get paid for it? Huh?
pay to have it or for it?
For it.
For it.
What?
Exactly.
That is so.
I want to get money.
That is so stupid. That was the most dumbest question I've ever. Well, not the dumbest question. But
Some people fiend to have it.
swallow or spit?
Spit.
Or
Or what?
no, I pick or.
Would you rather be caught cheating or catch your spouse cheating? That's
Myself
tough.
cheating. But that's selfish. But at the same time, I don't want to be seen as a cheater.
Alright, now let me tell you.
I'm a good girl.
Stop fucking lying.
You gotta eat like the ASMR people.
Nah.
Oh, would you rather have a baby at 10 or a baby at 60? At 10.
You said 16?
10.
Oh.
10 or 60.
10.
If you're 60, it's gonna come out deformed. And it's gonna look like it's 60, so I'd rather not.
Shit, this is tough. Would you rather have... No, I don't like that one. Would you rather be in jail for 10 years or in a coma for 20 years?
Jail. Jail looks fun.
You sound mad dumb. Animal. The chop, chop, chop to the cages. Would you rather look like a fish or smell like a fish?
Look like one.
Yeah.
Cause why would you smell like a JJ? Ew. You should have got ketchup.
You already told me that.
I'm not putting it down.
3, 2.
Would you rather have a sumo wrestler on top of you or yourself on top of him? On top of him.
On top of him, I'll go.
You will die. You would die.
You would.
Oh. Okay, hold on.
Right, like, oh.
But like,
Oh, don't like me.
Oh, copyright. Have the ability to speak every language in the world, but never be able to read them, or read all the language in the world, but never be able to speak them. I think reading.
Read, yeah.
I think read is much more
You
better.
can communicate more.
Yeah.
The mukbang picture. There. Be like,
Right.
pizza, guys.
No. A little story time.
Not yet. It's not time.
It's almost ending. A little story time. So, okay. So we were gonna go to a wedding, like a week ago or something. Me, Adriana, and everyone else. Anyway, We didn't know about this wedding until my mom told us the same day it happened. So we had to get ready, whatever. I wore some jeans with a black shirt and some jeans, and then I had to change it to a dress, but it was a sundress. So imagine how embarrassing that was. I was wearing a sundress
in a wedding.
Yeah, everyone looked like a freaking mermaids and like gentlemen, butlers, and I looked like I was going to the beach.
Okay. Well,
That was my story time.
period. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.